On our second day in Perth, Australia, we went to see the Perth Mint, which is more than a century old and has a lots of history. In this video, we are going to see the world's largest and heaviest gold coin, kilos of gold nuggets and specimens found in the ground, and their processing. For those who haven't seen my last video on beautiful views of Perth City, the link to that video is given below in the description.
So this building is 124 years old. Brilliant building. It is a heritage listed building, so most of the structure is kept original. And it is 1 ton of solid gold. The face value of the coin, $1 million. Amazing, right? Instant millionaire. This is a collector's item. One-of-a-kind coin, made especially for the late Queen's arrival to Australia in 2012. It is the Guinness World Record holder for the largest gold coin ever made.
There is also a large display of specimens of gold and silver nuggets found underground. These are from many places in Western Australia.
Now a solid gold bar. Right. Look at that. Freshly made gold, roughly around 800 to 900 degrees Celsius right here, folks. Very hot and very dangerous. Now obviously being that hot, I'm not touching with my bare hands, so it would be quite painful. But I do have leather gloves on so I can show you what would happen if I grabbed it. Quite dangerous, right? Now you don't want to mess around with that too much. So I'll put it into the water here and I'll let it cool down for about 2 minutes. That's 200 Troy ounces of gold, talking about precious metal terms, which is 6.2 kilograms. It has a purity of 99.99%, which is 24 karat gold. So it's worth over $600,000. What do you reckon? Should I touch it?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yep.
No. Pure gold bar, worth a little over $500,000 there.
This Perth Mint has the capacity to refine 800 tons of gold and 1,000 tons of silver, and is attracting thousands of visitors from around the world every year.
Feels good, doesn't it?
Oh my god.
Hey, you, put that down.
A large number of gold coins and medals of various sizes and shapes are minted from this Perth Mint. These are the Olympic victory medals made here. From this Perth Mint we can buy anything from gold jewelry, coins, gold bars and diamonds. We'll see you again next week with another video from the beautiful sights in Perth.